Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm glad you are here today because I'm going to share with you a Louis Vuitton bag. I'm going to reveal one of the best kept secrets of Louis Vuitton bags. I don't know why people are not talking about it. I just think they just don't want this to become a next neverfull, that everybody has it on the street. So they're not talking about it. But this is really a bag that literally everyone has to have it. So let's get into it. By the way, my name is Natalia and I am self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money, or if you prefer, how I waste my money. So if you like shopping, luxury handbags and all the stuff we women enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below. And if you consider yourself a shopaholic like me, please give a like to this video so we are not alone. And quickly before we start the video with Louis Vuitton, let me share with you my outfit of the day, because I love styling and I always want to inject a little bit of outfit to my videos. So today I'm wearing this chunky knit from H&M last year, and I'm wearing with bottle green faux leather skirts from Zara, also from last year, and I paired this with this camel kind of color boots, which I'm so proud of myself for using those boots, because they are probably nearly 10 years in my wardrobe and they have been used a handful times, so I really thought that they fit very well today. And now let's go to Louis Vuitton. So should I keep you waiting for the unboxing, or should we start with that unboxing, or actually it's more a reveal? I have used that bag, so I can tell you a couple of things about it also. So I think it's a very useful video. So maybe let's start with opening and showing which bag is this. Okay, let's get it, the dust bag. Oh, it's a huge box. So we have here the dust bag, and then let me present you the Louis Vuitton ODEON bag in PM size. Yes, that is the bag that I think is the best kept secret of Louis Vuitton bags. Literally not so many people talk about it, and this is the most useful and practical bag that you will love and wear it literally every day. So let me show you the bag first a little bit more. So the bag has a trapeze shape. It has two zippers here which open both directions, and you can actually easily slide them. I hold the bag now in the way that it's hard to do this, but normally if I have it on my lap, it's very easy to slide them both ways. And the bag comes with a strap. It's a thick, big leather strap, which is very comfortable, very convenient. Maybe let's attach the strap. So this is the ODEON in the PM size. There is also bigger size, I think it's GM. I went for the PM because I prefer that size. I wanted a small bag, but not too small for carrying every day, running around, traveling a lot. So this was mostly thinking about going for traveling, and when you walk around cities and you need that bag that is handy, useful, practical, and you don't have to worry about it. Let me tell you a little bit more. So this bag is ODEON PM with black leather trims, and that strap is also black leather. As I said, it's very thick, very durable, really good piece that you get. You feel that quality. And this bag comes, beside of that, it comes in two sizes. It will also come with that untreated Vachetta leather, which of course is no for me. Not that I particularly love Vachetta leather, and also my heart cannot handle the damage. So no, that Vachetta is no, unless it's just tiny bit. And in both sizes you can actually get it with Vachetta and without Vachetta. And also it comes in damier ebene, which I had a hard time deciding which one I want, if I want damier ebene or if I want that classic monogram. And eventually actually my boyfriend dragged me out of the store and said you don't make that decision now, you are so confused and you don't even know if you want that, just don't do it. A short story in between. So that was in Germany, and then we were leaving that day, and I didn't know if I actually get to another Louis Vuitton boutique on our travel, because we were traveling to a few cities, and we actually changed the plans on the way. But the next city we were in, it was Prague, and I googled Louis Vuitton, and there were appointments that they had to make appointment, but they just walk in, pretended an idiot. I was oh, I didn't know, and they took me in, so I could go into the store, and I met again really nice lady, and they had all these bags. Actually in Germany, they showed me all the bags, like all the possible variations, like in damier, ebene, in classic monograms, with vouchetta, without vouchetta, with black leather, like literally every possible variation they had it, and they just showed me. And I saw them on the shelves in Prague also, but I just said like, okay, I should go for the classic monogram. And that was also what my boyfriend said, like, go for that classic, for the typical one. But still, actually, it bothers me that damier, ebene, and I'm even started thinking maybe in the future I should buy another one like this in damier, ebene. I mean, isn't it crazy a little? But I really like it, also in damier, ebene. So that's a side story how I was actually getting this bag and why I got this bag. Actually, I was influenced and kind of introduced to that bag by Steph from Handbagaholic. I think I've noticed this on the website, and then Steph was showing this ODEON bag, and she was also very happy about this bag. And like, by the way, I also saw Ashley talking about this bag, but not really anyone else, I think. So I'm just thinking, like, really nobody talks about this bag, and this is such a gem. Really, it's such a gem. And why I think that? First of all, like, it is, as I said, super practical bag. It's a bag that you put crossbody, you run all day, it's canvas with black leather, you don't have to worry about anything. The second thing which I think is great for me, because I am a little bit like more of the elegant side. I don't know, maybe you can tell from the bags that I said, like, I don't like slouchy and very casual looking bags. So I found that this bag was relatively elegant, I would say, like for the casual and like utility style that it is. It still looks very dressy, very, like, I don't know, ladylike. So this was like my main point about choosing the bag. I wanted something practical, but something that wouldn't be too casual, that would be quite pretty, basically. Because the casual or the everyday bags, they are not always pretty, actually. And like, people love that mini Evelyn or Evelyn from Hermes. Like, I cannot look at that bag. I'm sorry, it's so ugly. And I think that's a much better and probably much cheaper way of going for a casual everyday bag. And by the way, that bag in Europe, at the time I was buying it, it was 1,350 euro. I paid probably a little bit more because the conversion, the Prague doesn't operate in euro, or the Czech Republic doesn't work in euro. So I think I paid a little bit more than this price. But anyway, that was the price at the time. I will check actually after the recent price increase if it was affected. And let's tell you a little bit more about the detail. The fabulous thing about this bag is that front pocket. It has magnetic closure, and that pocket, I believe it was just purely designed to drop your phone there. And I love that. It's like so useful. You have that, you don't have to open, unzip anything. You just put your hand here and then phone is there. And then it has that pocket here. No, it's not a pocket, it's the main backspace. I mean, it's black, so probably doesn't tell you much about it. It's black, it has one pocket here, yeah, and that's all. And that it's lined with some material, not canvas or not even like plasticky material. It's like more like cotton material. The visual point of view, it also has that beautiful luggage tag, which makes a very cute detail on this bag. And I want to share with you also a few things that I do with this bag. So this strap is of course very nice and very useful, and I've used that strap a bit. But what I also like to do, I like to actually play with my bags and do some other things to them, like upgrade them a little bit or change something about it. So I actually tend to wear this bag with the canvas strap, which I got with my Speedy. It's not visible, with my Speedy 22. So I actually like it for even more casual look with this strap. By the way, those material straps, you have to be careful. I actually was wearing it with some knit, and then it got really ugly with the knit, so I have to clean it. Just a side note, for if you do that, this kind of straps, they really catch all the fluff from your sweaters. So that's one way I'm playing with the bag. And the second thing, I got those, there are apparently supposed to be handles for bags from Amazon. And it was actually a set of 2. And I used them either for my toiletry pouch, or I also like to clip it here. So it gives like additional decoration to this bag, which I enjoy wearing it like this. And another thing which I actually like to do, sometimes I would take that strap to dress up the bag a little bit. So if I go out eat, for example, after work or something, and I want to dress the bag a little bit, so I would use that chain and I would just carry the bag by the chain like this. And also I like the strap hanging. I was just kind of my preference that I like this big chunky chain to be hanging, and then I carry the bag on the crook of my arm. And I think it feels more dressy, more stylish. So maybe I can show you if that camera can pick that. So yeah, this is the way. So this is the way I would often carry the bag when I go out after work and when I don't need to have it crossbody. And then yeah, sometimes the strap will also hang here, which just makes, I think, the bag more interesting, more versatile, and more fun. Let me show you the bag like the last final time, some close-ups. This is just sight. On the back, it doesn't have anything, any pockets or anything. I don't think it's actually needed in this case because it has that great front pocket, and the zips, they are working very well. Like they just zip one way and the other way, so there's no problem that this is this kind of cut in here, and I think it gives the bag, like, you know, this kind of more sexy look to it. So that was my reveal and slight review of the Louis Vuitton ODEON bag in PM size. What do you think about the bag? Have you considered this bag? Have you heard about the bag? I think the bag was introduced last year in August, like in 2020 in August, so maybe it didn't gain popularity yet. But one of the essays in Louis Vuitton told me, like, yeah, this is a great bag because not everybody has it. You don't see it so commonly on the street, but I think it will come. So I don't know. That's what she said, and I believe it might be. If we spread more word about this, like, this is really, it's not super expensive bag for Louis Vuitton prices. And the practicality of this bag is just another level. Like, it's not a huge tote. Like I'm saying, like, this is the next never full, because it is so practical, so useful, but it's not this huge tote bag which not everybody wants to carry every day and doesn't get that heavy. And also we downsized with trends and also with our lifestyle, I think, due to the pandemic. So I think this is like the next one, the next Louis Vuitton bag that everybody will have. So if you think about it, get your hands on one before everybody has it, so you enjoy. I mean, not say that it has to bother you that everybody has the bag, but yeah, if it bothers you. So that was all for this video, showing you my Louis Vuitton ODEON bag, recommending it. I hope you enjoyed and got some value out of it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. I recently got 200 subscribers and I was over the moon. Like, I saw this and I was like, oh wow, you know, 2 in the front. So really, please, it costs you nothing. If you enjoy, then just subscribe, and just, it makes me so happy, and I'm actually very fulfilled, and really it gives me a lot of joy doing those YouTube videos and seeing that people are watching and commenting and responding. And I think it's something that I needed in my life because I was really tired in my regular work. So this is like really good break and really good creative outlet or whatever. Just makes me really happy, and the positive responses are really like filling my heart. So if you enjoy, then yeah, please subscribe and maybe let me reach 500. So I will be jumping over the moon, and maybe I will record my dance after I get 500 subscribers. Okay, thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye.